Okay, seventh grade. We're going to continue talking about box and whisker plot. So here we've got an actual example here. So up top it says the box and whisker plot below shows the volunteer service hours performed by students at Indian Trail Middle School last summer. So they kept track of how many volunteer hours the students did, and then they use this box and whisker plot to show the data. So quickly looking at it, I can see, oh, the least amount that any student did was 13 hours, and the most that any student did was 27 hours. So then let's look at some of the questions here. So the first question is, what is the median of the data set? Well, the median is going to be the middle of the box, the line that's going through the middle of the box. So I can see it's 20. So the median is 20. What is the lower quartile? So the lower quartile is going to be the lower end of the box. So that's going to be in between 16 and 17 here. So I can see it's 16. I'm going to say it's 16.5 since it's, oh my gosh, that's a really good decimal point. Okay, beautiful. So then it's what is the upper quartile of the data set? Well, the upper quartile is going to be the top of the box. So that's going to be the higher end of the box, the right end of the box, if you will. So it's going to be 23. And then finally, what percentage of the data is between the lower quartile and the upper quartile? So they want to know the percentage of the data from 16.5 to 23. And remember, we talked about in the last video that each section is 25%. So there's 4 sections. So if we're talking about what is the percentage of data between the lower quartile and the upper quartile, that's going to be this box and this box. There's 2 of them, so they're each 25%. So that means it's going to be 50%. 50%. All right, beautiful handwriting there. All right, so that's the second example video. I got one more coming. How do I do this?